We love math! Welcome to a new series called Learning Math with Periwinkle, which is me. Okay, we're going to learn what 1 plus 1 is, and 1 plus 2 is, and 1 plus 3 is, and 1 plus 4 is, and I think you'll understand. Okay, so first let's learn what 1 plus 1 is. You can look over to my left and probably your right, and you'll see a chart. Okay, so we are going to learn what 1 plus 1 is. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, let's get 1 stuffed animal. Okay, there's 1 stuffed animal. 1 plus, let's put a plus sign right there, plus 1. We need another stuffed animal. Let's put this doggy in. And the equal sign equals 2. The number 2. Let's put the number 2 there. And we need 2 stuffed animals. Right? Let's get 2 stuffed animals. Equals these 2 stuffed animals. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Can you stop that? Why? Because I'm teaching math. Fine. Okay, so these 2 equal 1 plus 1 equals 2. Do you understand? Now, let's do another problem. Okay, so we did 1 plus 1. Now, we're going to do 1 plus 1 with books, just in a different way, you know. Okay, so 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. So 1 book plus another book equals, what's it equal? I think you know by now. It equals 2. I'm going to use 2 stuffed animals for the answer. Equals 2 stuffed animals. Yeah, it equals us 2. Or the number 2. Woohoo! Yeah. Okay, let's do another problem. How about 1 plus 2 now? Yeah. Okay, let me get the props. 1, let's use the mermaid. 1, mermaid, get back up. Okay, 1, come on, stand up. 1 plus 2 books equals what? Guys, it equals what? 1 mermaid doll, which is kind of a stuffed animal like me, plus 2 books, which are about animals, equals, you got it, 3. Okay, so let me get the 3 stuffed animals to show you. 1, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So 1 mermaid plus 2 books equals 3. The number 3. let me clean up. Oh no, I fell over while cleaning up. Okay, so 1 plus 2 equals, we don't know yet. So this, yeah, we do actually. 1 plus 2 equals 3. We just learned that. See, that's the number 3. Remember what 1 plus 1 is? 1 plus 1 is... 1 plus 1 is... I'll let you think for a second. It is 2. Yeah, you got it right. 1 plus 3, we're going to use real numbers. Let's look. So, let's put the 1 there. And the 2, no, it's a 3, right? 1 plus 3. The 3, let's put it there. Boop. And 1 plus 3. Do you need stuffed animals to figure it out? Fine, we'll use stuffed animals. I love it. Okay, let me get them. So it's 1 plus 3. Let's use the mermaid again. 1. Let me move right here. 1 mermaid plus 3 stuffed animals. Woo! 3 stuffed animals. You can't, sorry, you can't, you see me that one. 3 equals, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it equals 4. Woohoo! We got the answer. It's 4. Okay. Now we need to clean up. Do 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 do. Let's clean up. Do 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 do. I'm done cleaning. Oh, okay. Now, 1 plus 4, I'll let you solve it on your own. I'll put 1 up there, boop. 4 up there, boop. Equal sign, boop. And now, I'll let you solve it. Please, please, please pause this video. I'll give you 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Did you get it? It was 5. You have 5 fingers, right? Let's count your fingers. I'm a bear, so I have 4. Oh, actually, I have 5. But let's count a human's fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 4 plus 1 is 5. You could also use your hands to do this. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Yeah. Hope you like this video and new series. See you back for the next episode too.